Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Sankey diagram using Tableau Desktop. So let's understand what is a Sankey diagram. A Sankey diagram is used to show the flow between two different dimensions. The start point are known as nodes and the connections are known as links. Let's analyze the Sankey diagram that displays the flow of sales from the various regions to the different segments. The width of the lines represent the magnitude of sales. So wider is the width of the layer, larger is the quantity of flow. Before we start off with this video, for this chart, we must give credit to the Super Data Science channel and to the amazing people in the Tableau community. Now let's see how to create this visualization. Under the Connect to File, select Microsoft Excel. Navigate and add the Sample Superstore Dataset. Select Open with Legacy Connection. Now to create a Sankey chart, we need to populate the data twice to create two different endpoints. Hence, we will work with the legacy connection that will help us to select the fields to import. Drag and drop the orders table to the canvas area. It displays the data preview of the orders table. Navigate to the data menu and select Convert to Custom SQL. Remove the column that you don't want to import like so. Now, add the flags onto the last line of the query as shown. Select and copy the entire query. Type Union All below the existing query and paste the copied query again. The flag name will differ depending on the endpoints. Click OK. Open a new worksheet. We need to create the values between the endpoints to draw lines between them. For that, we will create a calculated field known as ToPad. Besides the dimensions drop-down, click Create Calculated Field. Name the calculated field as ToPad. Type the formula as shown on the screen. This calculated field will create only two values, that is 1 and 49. We'll use the data densification technique present in Tableau and create a bin out of the calculated field. Right-click the calculated field, navigate to Create and select Bins. Change the name of the bin to Padded and freeze the bin size to 1. To decide the flow of the Sankey, we need to create another calculated field named Rank 1, which calculates the percent to total over the dataset having the following formula. Duplicate the calculated field by clicking onto Rank 1. Navigate to Edit and rename it as Rank 2. Next, we'll create a calculated field called as T, which has an offset to evenly space all the marks over the visualization having the given formula. Then, we'll create a sigmoid function that is used to create the curve or the S shape in the view. The sigmoid will know the current position we cross in the view with the shown formula. Next, we will create a calculated field called Curve, which will generate the curve in the Sankey chart. To generate the curve, the formula will be as shown. Now that we have created all the calculated field, let's begin the visualization. Drag and drop the T measure to the columns shell and the curve measure to the rows. Add the padded dimension to detailed marks card. Next, add region and segment dimension to the details. Now, from rows, right-click the curve fill and select Edit Table Calculation. Below the nested calculation, select Rank 1. Below Compute Using, select Specific Dimension. Place the region, segment and padded in the shown sequence and select all the checkboxes. Again, select Rank 2. Place the segment, region and padded in the shown sequence and select all the checkboxes. Then, select T. Place padded at the top and select the checkbox. Right-click on the T pill present in the rows shelf to navigate to Compute Using. Select the option Padded. Now you can see the structural diagram of Sankey. Change the mark type to a line from the marks card. Place the padded dimension onto path. Now, to increase the size of the Sankey, depending on the sales, we'll add a calculated field called as Sales Size. Place the sales size on the size marks card. Right-click on the sales size and navigate to Compute Using. Select Padded. Now, you can vary the size of the lines from the size marks card. Right-click on the axis of the curve. Select Edit Axis option. This opens the Edit Axis window. Go to Fixed and fix the axis from 0 to 1. Similarly, right-click on the axis of T, select Edit Axis, go to the Fixed and fix the axis from -5 to 5. Change the mark type of the region and segment to color as shown. Now, the lines have been colored by the region and segment. But if we hover over the lines, we can see that the segments are not properly sequenced. To do that, we right-click the axis of curve, select Edit Axis option and select the reversed checkbox. Now, to format the chart, click the Format menu on the toolbar. Select the Lines option. Assign none value for all the drop-downs for the lines under the Sheet tab. Right-click on both the axes and uncheck the Show Header option to hide the header. To add additional insights, let's create another worksheet where we place region onto color, place sales onto the rows, place the sales and region to label. Right-click on sales and add quick table calculation to percent to total. To format the bar chart, select Format option present in the menu bar, navigate to Lines. Assign none values to all the drop-down for the lines under the Sheet tab. Right-click the axis and uncheck the Show Header option. Go to Legends, right-click on it and select Edit Color. Select the color similar to the Sankey diagram created. Similarly, create another sheet having segment. In a new dashboard, select the tiled option. Drag horizontal from the objects and drop it in the canvas area. Drag and drop the sheet 1 to the canvas area. Remove the legends. Drag sheet 2 to the left of the Sankey. Remove the legends. Repeat the similar step for sheet 3. Adjust the width of the sheets and hide the title bar for each one of them. To get rid of the scroll, select the drop-down besides Size and select Automatic. This would automatically adjust itself to the size of the screen. Drag and drop the text on the top of the dashboard. Name the dashboard as Sankey Diagram. With that, our Sankey diagram is ready. We hope you have learned how to implement the Sankey diagram and you will be able to do it on your own at your workplace. Thank you for watching this video. This video was brought to you by Nice Software Solutions.